Good morning, everyone. This is the first video this year. Today's January 5th, 2022. This is a little different video today. I wasn't expecting to make. It's for a knife that I made for a buddy of mine down in Connecticut. My oldest friend, actually, that I have. Tom, sorry again for taking so long to get this to you. This should have gone out before Christmas, but this is one of my integral bolster chef knives. That's actually made from a 1-inch piece of round high carbon steel. As you can see, I leave a lot of the forging marks on there to show the all the work gone into it. These are different. When I say integral bolster, as you can see, that's all one solid piece. The blade, where the tang goes through the handle. This is forged down, but only to a certain point, and then the transition here from the bolster to the handle has to be all finished with a file, actually, all hand fitted to get the handle square and everything. There's quite a bit of work involved. But it's a nice looking knife when it's all done, and it's pretty sharp. Fits good in the hands, kind of a teardrop type of handle. Now that handle actually is made from reclaimed barn wood from here in Charlotte, Vermont. Years ago, I had made, back when I was a furniture maker, I made a table out of this barn wood, and I have a whole bunch left over. And the barn was 120 years old, and I can't even imagine how old that oak is. Old white oak, very tight grain. Makes a nice handle. I put it on a lot of different knives that I make, and 3 brass pins. These chef knives that I make, I sharpen at a different angle, extremely sharp. As I should just don't even know it's there. So I always put a instruction paper in with my knives when I ship them, and the first thing at the top it says, "Please be careful, extremely sharp." It's almost to the point where you don't even realize when you cut yourself. So anyway, thanks again, Tom, for your patience, and this will be to you in a couple days. And thanks for everybody for watching. Happy New Year to everybody out there. Going to be a lot more videos coming. If you like this, please like and subscribe to my channel. And again, I have a wait list on my site that you can join, furnacebrookironworks.com, and that'll notify you by email of any up and coming knives that I have available for sale. That'll go out right away. Okay, thanks again, and we'll see you in the next one.